Have you ever tried to fit a bath panel with all the mess and the time involved? What if I could show you that there is a much easier, simpler way to do this without all the mess that comes along with it? We've all been there. Tried to fit a bath panel, cutting up pieces of wood, mess everywhere, screwing into a perfectly good panel, then covering it in silicone, which absolutely spoils the look, only to find out at the end of all this process, you've got a panel that doesn't even fit properly and above all looks terrible on the side of the bath. So let me paint this picture. You've done all that work, you've got your bath panel fitted, and then you get a leaky waste underneath your bath. Now you've got to try and get the panel back off again. So here at Inventive Creations, we've come up with a solution. It's called a Unipanel Fixer. This is designed to be simple to fit. You're not having to buy loads of wood. You're not spending hours measuring and cutting and then screwing holes in your panels, trying to fit silicone. This is simple, easy, and very, very simple to take back off again if you've got a problem. So the Unipanel Fixer is a fabulous product. It's very, very versatile. It will fit curved baths, straight baths, P-shaped baths. It will fit all different kinds of panels as well. You can use it on acrylic panels, you can use it on plinth panels, you can use it on solid tile panels. It's very, very simple to fit, no mess, and above all, this is a British-made product. If you'd like to know more, just click on the link below and then you can find your local stockist. Thanks for watching.